Hey there, creative minds! Welcome back to my artistic journey on drawing World of Flags with Tevain Hunter. Today, we're diving into the world of flags as we learn how to draw the flag of Sweden. Whether you're an aspiring artist, a flag enthusiast, or just something looking for a fun and easy drawing tutorial, you are in the right place. Now, before I jump into this step-by-step process, let's talk about the importance of the Swedish flag. The vibrant blue and gold design represents centuries of history and cultural identity. So grab your drawing tools and let's pay homage to this symbol of Scandinavian pride. The foundation of the Swedish flag is its bold off-center cross. Don't worry about perfection. Embrace the uniqueness of your strokes. This tutorial is all about embracing your individual style. Now, let's break down the hook for this video. Unlock your inner artist with the flag of Sweden. The key here is to appeal to a broader audience. By emphasizing the idea of self-expression and creativity, you're not only targeting art enthusiasts but also those who might not consider themselves artists. Swedish blue and gold radiate the sense of calm and warmth. As you fill in the cross and background, think about the emotions these colors evoke. This isn't just a drawing, it's an opportunity to connect with the essence of Swedish culture. Now, here's where you make it your own. Maybe add a unique pattern to the background or incorporate a personal message within the flag. The beauty of art is its subjectivity, and this step encourages your viewers to infuse their personality into the piece. Before we wrap up, let's talk about sharing your masterpieces. I want to see your creations. Use the hashtag #DrawTheSwedishFlag and tag us on Instagram, Twitter, or your favorite social media platform. Let's turn this tutorial into a vibrant community art project. Thanks for joining me today on Drawing the World of Flags with Tevain Hunter. Remember, it's not just about drawing the flag, it's about unleashing your creativity and celebrating the rich cultural tapestry that inspires us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tutorials. Until next time, keep creating and expressing.